Donna Fuller. Welcome to Trade Talk. When I'm advising students, I pay attention to their body language, what they say, and their GPA. When I sense that they are in the wrong direction, I whip out my trade list and we start going over it. And as they read through that list of trades, I watch for their reaction. And when they come across as a I know that that's probably their gut telling them that that might be a good fit for them. Then we talk about the pros and the cons because I want them to make an educated decision as to whether or not that education is a good fit for them or not. So today I'm going to help you see the pros and the cons of the welding trade. So the pros are this. It's a hot job. It's in demand. There's tons of opportunities out there. The money is really good. And you can get your certification pretty quickly, like less than a year. Now you could get the AAS, the Associate of Applied Science, 2-year degree, but a certificate will get you pretty far also. You can probably have a job before you even graduate from school, making about 40 grand a year. It's not chump change. The other pro is that if you are artistic, this is a really good fit for you. When you do the welding, it's typically you're using the left side of your brain, the math side, but this one allows you to also use the right side, the artistic side of your brain. So it's a really good balance. It's a hot job, it's great. Now here are the cons. It's a hot job. There's fire at the end of your stick. You're in these fire retardant long sleeve shirts in all weather, winter, summer, spring, and if you're in Texas in the summertime, oh my gosh, it's like, a sauna. You have this Darth Vader helmet on you, which is pretty cool in the wintertime. But it is pretty hot in the summertime. And another con is that if you look at the fire at the end of that stick at the wrong time, you can go blind. In fact, many welders have serious eyesight problems very early on. If you'd like to know more about the welding trade or any other trade, email me, dfuller@fulleragcoach.com. I can't wait to help you because your success is my happiness.